In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OCO orders on the Kucoin exchange. If you're into trading cryptocurrencies, then you might have heard of something called a one cancels the other order, or OTO. This tool is incredibly useful for managing trades more effectively, allowing you to set two orders simultaneously. So, let's dive right in and see how to set up an OCO order on Kucoin. First, head over to the Kucoin website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. You can find the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Simply click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Remember, ensuring that your login information is secure is crucial for protecting your assets. After logging in, navigate back to the Kucoin homepage. Here, you'll find a range of options including the Trade button, usually located in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Trade. This will lead you to all the trading options available on Kucoin. Once you've entered the Trade section, you'll want to select Spot Trading from the list of options provided. Spot trading is important because it involves buying and selling of cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery and is the platform where OCO orders can be placed. Next, you'll need to search for the trading pair that you're interested in. For instance, if you're dealing with BTC USDT, type that into the search bar. Selecting the correct pair is crucial since an OCO order affects both orders based on the performance of the other. After selecting your desired pair, look for the Advanced or Advanced Limit order option. This is typically found within the order panel. By clicking on it, you'll have access to more trading options, one of which is the OCO order. Finally, select the OCO order option. This configuration will allow you to input both limit and stop limit orders simultaneously. When one of these orders is fully or partially filled, the other one will automatically be cancelled. This is especially useful when you want to ensure that you minimize losses or lock in profits without having to monitor the market constantly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to set up and utilize OCO orders on the Kucoin exchange. By using OCO orders, you can trade more efficiently and increase your potential for successful trades with less stress. Be sure to experiment and maintain good trading practices to get the most out of this feature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading!